Is renting really just throwing money away, or is it a misunderstood financial strategy? Many people believe that renting is wasteful because you're paying for a place you'll never own, but the reality is far more nuanced. Renting offers flexibility and simplicity that can be valuable, especially in today's fast-changing world. It frees you from property maintenance, major repairs, and long-term commitments. You're also not tied down to a single location, which can be an advantage if you need to relocate for work or personal reasons. Buying a home, on the other hand, is often viewed as the cornerstone of financial stability and wealth building. When you buy, your monthly mortgage payments contribute toward equity in a property you can eventually own outright. However, homeownership comes with significant hidden costs. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance expenses, and interest on your mortgage can add up quickly. Plus, the process of buying a home often requires a substantial upfront investment for a down payment, closing costs, and other fees. The decision to rent or buy depends heavily on your financial situation, lifestyle goals, and personal preferences. Renting might make more sense if you're working on saving for a down payment, paying off high-interest debt, or unsure about your long-term plans. It's also a smart option if you live in an area where home prices are disproportionately high compared to rental costs. On the flip side, buying can be the right move if you're ready to settle down, want to invest in an appreciating asset, and have the financial stability to handle the additional costs of homeownership. There's also the emotional side of this decision. Many people find security and pride in owning their own home, while others value the freedom and flexibility that renting provides. It's not about one option being better than the other, it's about understanding your priorities and making a choice that aligns with your long-term goals. Whether you're renting or buying, the key to financial success is making informed decisions and building a strategy that works for your life.